Okay, folks, I'm here at the UPS show here at the Caesars Forum. This is a little booth we have here, a little 10 by 20 actually. This is Iron Mountain. They do document disposal. Basically what they do. You got documents you don't know what they're about or what you want to destroy, that's what they do. This is the second time we've done this booth, I want to say. Second or third time. I'll spin the camera around here in a second and let you see. So this is the Iron Mountain booth. This is the Iron Mountain booth on the other side, so let's walk around. It's like a little auditorium here, a little video area. You can watch the presentation. And on the other side is where I started with the Iron Mountain booth. And there's my client there, getting their product